up? So in today's video, we're gonna work on all three Daihatsus. Where we last left off in the midget, we have brand new wheels, spare tire covers officially wrapped, tow hook is yellow to match the drums, and then I also added the ATOTO. So I now have a 1.5 DIN, good old screen, and then we also have a brand new Pioneer speaker. So I'm waiting for Mendy Imports to get here because he might have a Boss kit that'll fit this car so I can finally swap over the steering wheel because I really don't want to put the stock one back on. But we're actually not, I also have to put the lid back on, but we're not going to work on this one right now. We might do some work on this guy. I think I might install a PA system in this video. I've been installing for a while, honestly, I need to do it. So I most likely would do that on this guy, but the star of the show is actually going to be the Terios. So right now what I'm going to do is drive to City Field so I can fix my Bluetooth muffler. I'm not going to do a whole straight pipe or nothing like that. I'm just going to do like from there back. So muffler delete pretty much. I don't want this car to be loud, but let's drive over there now, get that muffler done, see the reaction to this one. I don't think they're going to go too crazy about this car just because it's not a K. Kind of looks like a mini RAV4. But let's start her up. Just when I thought the Terios would be the coolest car here, here comes this Ben, said, "Hold my coffee." Debating on which tip I should get. The only small ones they have is that guy, same one that's on the mirror walkthrough, and then the same one that's on the mirror walkthrough with a little curve to it. I think I'm gonna go with this one though. Let's take a look underneath. Don't see any drips of oil. Fuel filter is pretty easy to change. I love this. Yeah, this is a solid car. Cool little Easter egg on the Terios. Has it on the mud flap. First startup, see if there's any difference. Ooh. That was rowdy, I like that. So this is first pull since swapping over the muffler. Drop it down a second. Thing sounds amazing. If it wasn't for the cement truck, you guys would have heard the Daihatsu VTEC. Give me a second. You ready for this Daihatsu VTEC? It's crazy what muffler deletes might be a new thing for me on all my cars because it's not super loud, but it's enough tone that excites you. Like this one isn't turbos, there's no blow valve or nothing. I'm gonna see if I can put an intake today in this video, but listen to this. I guess I'll say the only downside is that at speeds like this, cabin is for sure a bit louder. Oh wow, I just had a little back pop. I just had a little back pop. Oh no, not again. But yeah, I guess I'd say that's the only con on this. It's like technically when I go like 120, it's gonna be pretty loud from the exhaust. But I'd say that's a small price to pay when you can downshift and it sounds like this from your Terios. See that? All right, update as you can see. What happened?
Look at that.
Oh, the dry rot? Oh yeah. My God.
Yeah, bro. You were splitting lanes there.
Oh my Jesus. Out with the old though.
In with the new.
Let's see how my brakes are looking.
They're not bad.
This car's gonna look so good with this on right now.
Even without the caps, it looks good. Have you noticed that?
No, it doesn't.
Take it hard.
You know, it looks like lowrider wheels.
It does look like, or like bouncing.
Yeah. Hydraulics. So yeah, unfortunately, this fitment is not gonna work.
Well, no, the fitment works.
Well, yeah, it's just a tire size. What size is this? This is a 205 70/15.
175 50.
And this is a 175 50. This is almost K-spec, honestly.
It is K-spec.
So yeah, the goal was to have these on, put the H4s in, put the intake. So I guess I'll have to put these dry rot things back on. I guess I'm gonna go on eBay today and buy some tires ASAP.
You got Mendy.
Or Mendy, yeah. Or Mendy. If anyone needs tires in the tri-state, this is your guy right here.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's swap over the H4s. Let's secure that, and then let's take this off and put an intake.
It's actually surprisingly pretty clean. Wow, it looks so much better without the airbox.
Update. Just turn the lights on first, actually. So I did one side. Damn.
Big difference?
Does it make a big difference?
Wow. It still needs fog, yellow fog tint.
Yeah. Well, the fog lights need to get clean just in general, but...
Oh, wow, you did just one side all overall.
Yeah.
Same thing with the little light?
Yep. It looks like it's not on, though. Give it one click. Yeah, it's not on. Now it's on. One click. Hey, LEDs, 2 clicks. All right, cool. Now start it. I gotta get a longer pipe though. It needs to go like here, or preferably like this. So we're 0 for 2 right now with our experimenting. I did buy a new air filter, so that should be here soon. And then I'm gonna maybe entertain getting a custom intake made, but I wasn't crazy about having like 4 vacuum lines empty and it being a warm air intake. Actually, I don't mind the warm air intake. I'm not crazy about the vacuum lines that I also need to change.
Yeah.
Every single one of them is ripped. But now we're gonna put a brand new JSpec battery.
Tell the people why this is. What's happening here?
I'll tell them. So, all my lawnmower battery K owners out there, I stand with you. If I can get a battery for $50, $40, $60, and it works just as fine, has the same amount of cold crank amps, and all I need to do is essentially just take that off, put it between there, and it works perfectly fine, I don't mind. But someone here does.
It's not right.
What makes it not right? Did I drive it home for 6 hours with this battery?
Yeah, you did, but it's not right.
So what's the alternative?
Correct batteries.
So how much is that one again? Double the price.
Yeah, but it's JSpec.
Yeah, but
ready? I want your viewers to see the difference. Right? Look at this, ready? JSpec, meaning terminals are JSpec. Look what happens, look, oh my gosh. Ready? It's so hard, I can't take it off. JSpec, look, oh my gosh. They fit. That's the biggest difference.
Did those not fit?
No, you had to tweak them. These fit.
I wouldn't say I have to tweak them.
Yeah,
they fit, the car started, the car worked.
Allegedly.
But yeah, new battery. I'm going to now just swap over this side of the lights. All right, H4 in. Swap over the daytime light. These are 192s. I have to say, this not being a K car just makes working on it so much easier. So to do the H1s, it's essentially the same thing as up there. Just have to remove the old bulb, lock it back into place there.
Damn. What do you think?
I think it looks great.
I think it looks great too.
Shout out to Valentina.
You need lights.
Up there?
Rally lights. See if it'll even work, because we might run into the issue we ran into in the town box. Wow. No way.
Is that Mendy spec? Honestly, it's not. Oh, okay.
I just wanted to see it. I wanted to see
What don't you like about it, though?
It doesn't look right up here, you know? It's like, why did you do 1.7 or 1.75 instead of like doing an actual double den, you know? Where's the other ATOTO?
Update. Here's how we're looking with the double din. Not sponsored either, but ATOTO, if you're watching this right now, this is 2 cars in the span of 24 hours that are getting ATOTOs. I think it's only right that you guys send me a couple ATOTOs, because we have a couple more cars that need ATOTOs, like the Wagonar and like the Serena. We call this segment installing a radio while driving.
On the road.
On the road with the radio, with the ATOTO. So we're just gonna wire this all in, grab some food, do everything essentially but the ground pretty much. Do I have any Trinidadian viewers? If I do, I'm getting doubles right now to all my West Indians out there. Not only are we wiring while driving, but we're wiring while ordering food right now. This guy's locked in. When we get our food, we're gonna walk back in the car, install the radio, and drive home with some tunes. Update, about to finish working on the radio. And just like that, empanada in hand, ATOTO. Hey, wow, that's new. I've never seen that before.
Just like that, 1 empanada in my belly, 1 ATOTO wired up,
1 exhaust. Alright, so we just made it back home. Benny's outside helping us out. And I just realized one of the biggest pros when buying this car was the fact that I had rear speakers. After putting in the new radio, I got catfished. This thing has no speakers in the back. So luckily, we got some Pioneers here. I'm putting a lot of energy into this budget off-road build. There's only 1 speaker? There's only 1?
Oh, wow. Dad asked, where's the other one? We have the cover, so where is it?
The cover's for this one. Oh. Damn. Whatever. I'll still put.
The single speaker for the back will bump, bro.
Yeah. Better than nothing, I guess.
Yeah, fact. Alright, just so you're aware, chances are in K cars, probably, unless they don't have the wiring harness. Like this one had the wiring harness. It already had the radio or the speaker harness here. All you have to do is wire your speakers directly to that thing. So if you pull your cover back, you find this, it'll work. I'm going to tape these up so you can't see them and they don't arc out or anything and do anything funky.
Last update for the day. LEDs, fog lights. It's ricey, but it's like not ricey.
No, it's like borderline.
Exhaust. I'm not crazy about this, but if you want to put it there for now, I don't mind. What's next on the Terios is tires, maybe calipers yellow, maybe put the tri-spokes on, but I for sure need to order tires, like ASAP. I'm going to see if I can find some wheels that have tires already, just so I can save myself some money. But episode 1 on the Terios complete. Thank you guys for watching. Got my mic there, new speaker in the back, doilies, everything that I need to make this car even better. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.
All these, the sideboards.
I like the, you don't like them, I like them.
They gotta go.
Comment below, I like the steps. They work too, you can actually stand on them. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you can stand on them. I still think that.
What am I gonna do when I have to reach for my basket though? Alright then. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. I think next one most likely work on either the Wagoner, and then I finally do the Serena build.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.